This is a quick tutorial for Shane MacGowan's Rainy Night in Soho, played in DADGAD. First off, for anyone who's not familiar with DADGAD, the guitar will be tuned low D, low A, middle D, G, high A and high D. I'll just go through the chords that I use in this song first. So first you have D, which will be holding the G string on the 2nd fret. Next is D with an F sharp bass, so holding your D chord, add the low D on the 4th fret. Next is G, which will be the low A and low D on the 5th fret. And the last chord is A, which will be the middle D, the G and the high D on the 2nd fret. So there are the 4 chords that are used. We'll just go through the intro now. I'll play it first. Okay, so we'll just go through the first bit. We'll just go through the... Okay, so starting off, you'll be holding your D chord, and when you strum down, you'll kind of put the emphasis on the high A and high D strings. After that, you'll play the G string and the A string together, so it'll be... And for the third part of the first bit, you'll be adding the middle D on the 4th fret, and you'll be playing the D and G strings. So it'll be... Okay, and the second part of the intro is... For that, you'll be again holding the D chord, and you'll play the G and high A together. Then you'll take off the G string on the 2nd fret and just play the same 2 strings open. And then you'll add the 4th on the 4th fret again. So that together will be... bit, which is for that bit, you'll be just going to your G chord, then to your A chord, and a little pull off on the high D string, back to D. That's the intro and the interlude between verses. The verse then, it's just 4 chords, so it'll be... So that's D. Next, D with the F sharp. G. I've been loving you a long time. Down all the years, down all the days. And I cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little ways. And it goes on like that for the rest of the song. So yeah, so that's basically it.